Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Thursday, April 10th. Here are today's top headlines. EchoStar has launched a compact, high-performance electronically steerable antenna, now globally available for use on the OneWeb LEO satellite network. Designed for durability and easy installation across diverse environments, the antenna delivers reliable, low-latency connectivity and is positioned as a cost-effective solution for global enterprise needs. Polestar Automotive reported estimated retail sales of 12,000 vehicles in Q1, a 76% increase from Q1 of 2024. The growth is driven by rising demand for newer models and a shift to a more active selling strategy, with full year 2024 results expected by the end of April. ChargePoint has unveiled next-generation Level 2 charging architecture featuring bidirectional charging and speeds up to twice as fast as standard chargers. Designed for commercial and residential, the new platform builds on ChargePoint's market leadership and will debut in Europe this summer, followed by North America in late 2025. Realbotix has partnered with a Las Vegas ticketing provider to develop an interactive humanoid robotic customer service agent, set to pilot at a kiosk inside Fashion Show Las Vegas. Launching in summer 2025, the robot will use AI to engage in natural conversations, offering show recommendations and assisting with ticket purchases tailored to the city's entertainment scene.
Thanks for watching Green Stock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Green Stock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.